In a previous tips video, I demonstrated how to apply styles, modify their appearance, and create a clickable table of contents that relies on the styles you've applied using Microsoft Word. Here is the Word document for the Brothers Grimm fairy tales. I've formatted all of the story titles as heading 1s and inserted a table of contents. The story subtitles are formatted as heading 2, and you can see them displayed here as slightly indented on the contents list. I want to divide the book into chapters and have the chapters displayed here on the table of contents. I don't want to have to scroll through over 100 pages to reformat each title to a different style. And I don't need to, thanks to some helpful commands. We'll start by changing those subtitles from heading 2s to heading 3s. I don't need to scroll to look for them. From the Styles menu, I can right-click on heading 2 and select all 3 instances where that style is used. Word will take me to their location and show them highlighted on the screen. I can now apply the heading 3 style to that text. I'll repeat that step. This time we'll change our story titles from heading 1s to heading 2. Right-click on heading 1 and select all 43 instances. All of the story titles are now selected for us. We can click on heading 2 to change them. Now I'd like to make the words for chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4 into the red heading 1 style. I don't need to scroll to look for the other chapters. I can use the Find feature. From the navigation pane, I'll type the text I'm looking for, click on the result, apply the style. Now we'll find chapter 3, click on the result, apply the style, and chapter 4, click on the result, apply the style. And we're done. Now that our text has been reformatted, we need to update the table of contents to display our new formatting choices. I click on the table of contents and then Update Table. I want to update the entire table, not just the page numbers, and I'll click OK. Notice that Chapter 1, 2, and 3, and 4 are now fully left aligned. Those are heading 1s. The story titles, which are heading 2s, are slightly indented. The story subtitles, heading 3s, are indented even just a little more, here under the section for Chapter 2.